It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we have another giveaway, okay? So if you did not enter the last giveaway, make sure you go ahead and do it for these nails and just watch the video to see how I did them. I used some nail polish strips for that look as well. So for this one, we have another set and another giveaway. So 2 lucky winners can win. For this Easter set, it's kind of a play on like the Easter egg with all of the colors and everything, so it's inspired by that. And for this set, to make it look a little bit better, I went ahead and had some base gel curing on the nail so that it will be tacky and so that my color will go on nicely. So this color is from that Beatles collection as well. I am just really loving the colors from that set. Like I said, I have some more coming, so I can't wait to show you guys those. And here in my dapping dish, I have some alcohol to clean up. And for this set, I'm going to cure the thumb first. That way, I kind of noticed like the thumb wasn't getting cured the same as the other fingers, so that's why I did that. Now I'm just going to go in and apply my first coat of polish onto the other 4 fingers. And I'm going to do 2 coats of polish. So I hope you guys enjoy the long nails. I think it's fun. It's a lot of more space to kind of be creative. So I will try to do some more, medium to long nails on my channel. If you are a fan of shorties, definitely put that in the comments below. Maybe I can give you guys some of those. I know some people said that they are not fans of the long nails, so I definitely get it. After I get that coat on there, I'm just going to pop that into the lamp. And then after my second coat, I turn the hand upside down to kind of allow the gel to level out. And then I'm going to cure that. In the past, I mentioned curing for the 90 seconds. And I cure for the 90 seconds twice. So it's not just 90 seconds. So I feel like the longer you can cure, the better. Of course, if you don't cure enough, it's still going to be tacky. So here I am going in with my tweezers to start applying the nail polish strips. And for this set, if you watch the previous video, for the ones that had the bunnies on it, it was transparent. But for these, the ones that have like half color, it was actually white. So I ended up cutting that part off. So you guys are going to see that. For this pinky nail, I had some difficulty. And what I think I will do the next time is either remove the tacky layer or do the top coat and then apply my stickers. The bunnies work well with the wet gel or the tacky gel, but for this set, it wasn't that easy. So here I'm applying them in different places, trying to get a feel for the design, trying to get a feel for where they will fit. So if I did this look again, I definitely would not work with these particular stickers on the tacky surface. So after I kind of figure out where I want it, I just kind of press it in with my fingers and the tweezers. And there you can kind of see how I cut the white part off. I picked this color because it kind of matched the orange on the ends a little bit, and I wanted everything to be cohesive. For this one, I decided to put it at the top. So if you win this nail polish strip set, of course, you can apply this however. They are designed for about a medium length nail, but for these long nails, I cut them up and kind of did like a creative design with them. I believe when I placed the green one on the pinky nail and then picked it up, I think when I picked it up and put it back down, because that tacky layer was there, that's why it didn't stick when I put it back down. So I did have some difficulty with that little corner lifting up. So I went in with some more base gel, and then I'm going to apply some top coat to try to lock these stickers in. So after applying the top coat, and this is how I would, kind of file it. One thing about these, with kind of wrapping them around the edges, I did have to file off the little pieces that hung over. So this is how I tried to do it. I ended up, this is the top coat, and then I cured it again, and it was easier to file. And if I did this again, I would, like I said, cure with the top coat so that the surface is not tacky. I would apply my stickers, I would cut the excess off, and then I would apply gel on top of it to lock it in. See here, after I cured that top coat, it was so much easier to file off the excess of the sticker. And of course, you can just pop them out and file it even more. You can buff the top of the nail, whatever kind of filing or shaping you need to do. This kind of file also has a smoothing side, which would be great to smooth the stickers out if you wanted to do that as well. So after buffing, I went in with the top coat again, and this is how they look. Of course, that little pinky was giving me some grief, but in the end, it looked okay. And now it's time to take them off of the practice hand and put them on my hand. So just like in the previous video, I have them on here with some little sticky pad stuff. It's like a sticky adhesive for press-on nails. So that's what I have them on the silicone hand with, so that I can just pop them off and put them on my hands with the peel off base coat. And this is what they look like. super cute, extra long. I was hoping that they would pop off quickly, but I had to kind of pry them off a little bit. But my nails weren't damaged or anything. I do have some base and top coat on my natural nails. I have the peel off base on top of that, and then I went in with that nail glue from the Dollar Tree. So this is a close up, and this is what both of the hands look like. I kept them on for a little while. I was kind of getting used to them, but then I was like, I'm gonna remove these. So this was a fun look, definitely something that I would try again for a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you watch the bunnies look if you have not. Make sure you enter the giveaway. The rules will be in the description bar. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I will see you guys in the next video.